What's this?
Choco palitaw.
It's choco.
Palitaw.
Wow, and this one is yung dip.
Yeah.
Ang tawag doon? Parang salted cream and salt. Cream and salt ba yun? Yung... Thank you! Parang xiaolong bao, ganon.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, wow. Parang xiaolong bao. It's parang xiaolong bao. Xiaolong bao inspired ko pala to, no?
Yeah.
That's it. Mm. Tastes good. Mm. It's yummy. Wow, pwede na tayo magtayo ng restaurant. Sarap. Masarap pero dapat nipisan mo yung ano, yung pinakabalot, ha?
Yeah.
But it's yummy. Kuhang-kuha mo yung lasa ng ano. Yung may cream. Tastes good. Second. Masarap, anak, ah. Good. Ano nilagay mo?
Yeah.
Sa chocolate.
Hershey's.
Ay, yung Hershey's cone na ibinaba? Ha?
Yun ba yung nakabukas? Yeah.
Sa room?
Meron pa isang bag.
I like the taste. It's super yummy. I like it, anak. Thank you. It's super chewy. Thank you, bebe. Harap. Isa pa nga. It's yummy, ha? Nakuha mo yung lasa ng ano.
Dip?
Yung dip, yung, oo. Sarap.
It's not so sweet.
It tastes good. Parang sa Chinese restaurant na kinakainan natin.
Yung Din Tai Fung.
Din Tai Fung. Nagaya niya yung lasa. Yummy. Like it. Sarap. Thank you. Buo ba yung chocolate na nilagay mo?
Yeah.
Hindi mo tinunaw.
No.
Tapos,
Pinakalo.
kinulo mo?
Yeah.
Dapat hindi kinulo.
Steam.
Dapat it's steam.
May butas yung ilalim ng
Next
steam.
time steam mo, ha? No? Next time steam, no? Para ano? Thank you! Yummy.